The story of the snake in the grave. In Istanbul there was a governor. He died. They dug a grave for him. When they were on the verge of lowering his body inside the grave, they saw a black snake waiting for him inside the grave. They were terrified. They didn't want to bury this guy inside this grave, so they dig another grave. Now they've spent hours digging the second grave. They're on the verge of lowering the body inside the grave. The same snake they saw in the first is waiting in the second. How many graves do you think they dug on that day? 4, 5, 6. On that day, they dug about 30 graves. Every time the grave was dug and they were on the verge of lowering this body inside the grave, they would find the same black snake waiting. After digging so many graves, they consulted the scholars. What should we do with this person? They said, just bury him inside the grave. Leave the rest to Allah. They buried him. Where are you going to hide? It doesn't come any clearer than this. You can't get away. You've left the dunya, and you've gone 6 feet under, and you think you've got away with it. This is where it will begin. This is the end of this episode. Subscribe for more content.